Namaskar. I'm Dr. Richa Sood, Director Principal, Royal Kids School. I will take you to the journey of learning for your kids at Royal Kids. We are here providing martial art, skating, chess, and Zumba for physical and mental development. In the futuristic approach, we are working with STEM education. We are working for the hydroponic farming, which is the completely new concept. We are working with robotics. We are working and bringing the new thing, that is computer coding. So we are providing the best education in the town at very affordable cost. And many parents say that Royal Kids is the most affordable dream school with quality education. Our mission: an individual full of Indian sanskars. Nurturing the kids like seeds with true, appropriate, and complete education so that they can grow as a healthy green plant to spread their greenery of confidence all around. Our H2O formula: healthy, holistic, and optimistic are the keys to success in each realm of life. Our hope: producing a gem for community. Giving the royal leaders to society who would sparkle the seeds of humanity amongst all.
Hi. Phonics is a very effective way of learning in which a child learns how to spell, write, and pronounce the English words. Earlier we used to learn by the rote method in which a child used to memorize the spellings. But with phonics, the child has to remember just the sounds and a few rules, and then the reading and writing becomes perfect. So I, on the behalf of Royal Kids School, welcome you all to learn and enjoy the fun-based learning.
Royal Kids have faith making the base of the children is smaller children of pre-primary or primary need more attention and strong base. Each and every child is given equal attention and guidelines so that every child is attended. As quotient is very important, so Royal Kids focus on this development of this quotient such as social, cognitive, emotional, physical, academic quotients.
We are not keeping the kids confined to the textbooks only, we are giving extra knowledge about the great Indian mathematician also. As the aim of teaching and learning mathematics is to encourage and enable students learning power in mathematics and solving problems.
Primary education is foremost most important as basic right of every child. The role of primary education is ensure broad-based learning of the child. And we are teacher of Royal Kids, the one who believes in not only book-based learning, we believe in experiential learning as focused on development of social, cognitive, cultural, emotional and physical skill.
At Royal Kids, we are taking environmental sciences Earth, where Earth refers as E for environment, A for air, R for resources, T for technology, and H for humans. We are here to provide you the broader objective of science. This is process, skill, knowledge, curiosity. We help the student to think analytically, creatively, and critically to solve problem, judge argument, and scientific other contexts. In addition to syllabus, we are here to provide theory and practical learning or hydroponic farming, which is the new agriculture field of India.